be searching for a new summertime pair of shoes if your grade schooler is participating in a new season, new sneakers program. With Peter Moore's design continuing to appear in new, youthful kids' fashions for summer or fall 2025, the Nike Dunk Low is still a good choice even though it isn't as popular as it once was. With its frosty colorway and lenticular swoosh logo in light Armory Blue, this shoe adds tactile vinyl to an all-leather top. White is used for the midsole and overlays, while dark obsidian is used for the base layer and outsole. Finally, the insoles feature a distinctive deep royal blue mirror design that complements the lenticular swoosh. The Nike Dunk Low GS in white, light Armory Blue, deep royal blue, and obsidian will retail for $90 in the summer or fall of 2025.